Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Stock Dude, back on the prowl again. In this video, I got two low price bangers for you that could easily double your money. If this is something that interests you, guess what? I got something for you, man. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first stock that could easily double your money goes by the name of Blue Apron Holdings, ticker symbol APRN. Now, Blue Apron Holdings operates direct-to-consumer platforms that deliver original recipes and fresh and seasonal ingredients. It also operates Blue Apron Market, an e-commerce market that provides cooking tools, utensils, pantry items, and other products. And in addition, the company offers Blue Apron Wine, a direct-to-consumer wine delivery service. So Blue Apron is a direct-to-consumer food service. The company also sells many food products, services directly to the consumer through the internet. Let us go to the chart. Blue Apron, ticker symbol APRN, comes in at only a price of $4.40 per share. As I always do, I zero in on the bottom of the screen and look at my volume, because my volume tells me a story. It lets me know that people are interested in this stock at certain levels. So when the price dips, are people buying it or are they still selling it? As you see right here, in June the 16th, it looks like, stock price gapped down from $6 a share down to around $4.30 a share, and immediately people bought it. Looking at this huge influx of volume, they bought that. And as recently as Thursday, this candlestick right here, and as recently as this past Friday, we have heavy volume that came in on Blue Apron holding stock. On Friday, came in at over 6 million shares bought and or sold. The average volume is only 845,000, but on Friday we had over 6 million shares. So that lets me know that people are interested in Blue Apron. Now, one thing I'll caution you guys about is the fact that Blue Apron has an earnings report that's on August the 3rd, which is next week, coming up, this coming week. So I would advise you to do your own due diligence and do your own research to make sure that you are comfortable starting a position in Blue Apron before the earnings report. Now, the safest thing to do would be to wait until after the earnings report. That way, if it dips, the earnings report doesn't come back exactly strong, you can buy it at a cheaper price. But who's to say? Looking at this volume that comes in here on Thursday and Friday, they coming in heavy. So maybe people, investors, know that Blue Apron has a good opportunity to beat their earnings. So you may want to grab some shares before the earnings and then continue to grab shares if it dips after the earnings report. Now, Blue Apron has a $12 price target. Right now it's trading at only $4.40. So if it reaches $12, you're looking at over a 250% gain on your money. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's an easy way to double your money. Coming in at number 2 is a company by the name of NuCana. NuCana's ticker symbol is NCNA, coming in at a price of only $2.12 per share. You talking about a potential easy way to double your money. I gotta tell you, NuCana deserves your immediate attention. Now, just to read a little bit about NuCana. NuCana is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that engages in the development of products for the treatment of cancer. The company develops its products based on its proprietary ProTide technology. Its lead product candidate includes APRN, which is a phase 1 clinical trial for patients with advanced solid cancerous tumors. Now, NuCana, I'll be honest with you, this is a high risk, high reward, low price biotech company that has multiple products and procedures that are in phase trials waiting for the FDA approval. Now, just to give you an idea about what can possibly happen with these low price biotechs, let me take your attention to this other, what used to be low price biotech company that goes by the name of Vaxx. In January of 2020, you could have purchased shares of Vaxx for $4.58 per share. Fast forward to August of 2021, those shares that were $4.58 per share traded upwards of $184 per share. You got to keep your eye on these low price biotech companies because you never know. NuCana may be a Vaxx in disguise. So looking at NuCana, I see it in my notes right here. NuCana has a $19 price target as rated by tipranks.com. Here it is right here. Tipranks.com has a moderate buy of NuCana stocks with a $19 per share price target. Let us go to a Z chart. Right away, I see that NuCana, once again, ticker symbol NCNA, is trading at only $2.12 per share with a $19 price target. Now, it's a couple ways to look at this. I look at this chart and I see right away that NuCana has a strong level of support right around $2.08 per share. This big green candle tells me so. This big green candle popped up off of the $2.08 range and went immediately higher. Right here, here's another big green candle that popped up off of the $2.08 range. Here's a red candle that came heavy off of that range. Here's another red candle on high volume that came heavy off of that $2.08 range. So it looks like all through the rest of this chart, this $2.08 support level seems to be very strong. So being that this is only a stock that's trading at $2.12, you can do this by just purchasing 100 shares of this stock for roughly $200. And if you really want to be safe, you can set you a stop loss at under that support level. Me personally, what I'm gonna do on Monday, once again, I am not a stock expert, nor do I play one on YouTube. So take what I say with a grain of salt and do your own due diligence. But I plan to buy me 100 shares of NuCana at the market price on Monday, and I'm gonna set me a stop loss just under this strong area of support at $2.08. I'll put my stop loss under that at $2.05. So that way, if the stock price falls down in price and that level is not held at 208 and it goes lower, I will sell out at 205. So in other words, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you can minimize your risk with using a stop loss under that strong area of support. You never know. One of these low price stocks like NuCana, which once again has a $19 price target, can absolutely explode and go higher. And at only $2.12 per share, what do you have to lose? NuCana can possibly, easily double your money. If you found any value in this video, I ask that you please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and drop your boy a like in the comments. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude. I'll holler at you later. Peace.